Part 10a, regular, nerdy French RE verbs in the present tense. Audio practice numbers 1 to 5. You know what to do. Vous savez ce qu'il faut faire. Numéro 1. Je l'attends ici. Je l'attends ici. I'm waiting for him or her here. It could even mean I'm waiting for it here. Numéro 2. Vous attendez Julien là-bas? Vous attendez Julien là-bas? Are you waiting for Julien over there? Numéro 3. Sa sœur, or the slang for sœur is sa frangine, attend un bébé. Sa sœur, or the slang for sœur is frangine, sa frangine, attend un bébé. His sister is expecting a baby. So attendre means to wait and also to expect. Numéro 4. Il ou elle nous attendent cet après-midi. Il ou elle nous attendent cet après-midi. They're expecting us this afternoon. So the ENT is silent. Attendre. Numéro 5. Je ne les entends plus. Je ne les entends plus. I can't hear them anymore, or I can no longer hear them. So I can't hear them would be je ne les entends pas. But if you say I can't hear them anymore or no longer, you have to replace pas with plus. Lots of people say pas plus, but it's not. You have to get rid of the pas, kick it out of the way, and in its place you put plus. Je ne les entends plus. D'accord, de l'anglais en français. Number 1. I'm waiting for him or her here. I'm waiting for him or for her here. Je l'attends ici. Je l'attends ici. Number 2. Addressing vous. Are you waiting for Julien over there? Are you waiting for Julien over there? Vous attendez Julien là-bas? Vous attendez Julien là-bas? So in French, you don't follow to wait with for. It's just used more like to await someone. You do not say pour in French. So it's vous attendez Julien, not pour Julien. And remember, when you say are you waiting, you just say you wait in French. Vous attendez, because there's no aming and aring and ising with verbs in French. Number 3. His sister is expecting a baby. His sister is expecting a baby. Sa sœur attend un bébé. Or sa frangine, which is slang for sœur, sa frangine attend un bébé. Sa sœur or sa frangine attend un bébé. So his sister is sa sœur, and so is her sister, sa sœur. You use the feminine sa if the next word is feminine. In English, it's all about the possessor, his sister or her sister. It's the opposite in French. It all depends on the thing or the person that is possessed. If it's feminine and you want to say his or her, it will be sa. If it's masculine, son. And if it's plural, c'est. Son, sa, c'est all mean his or her. Number 4. They're expecting us this afternoon. They're expecting us this afternoon. Ils ou elles nous attendent cet après-midi. Ils ou elles nous attendent cet après-midi. Silent ENT with those they conjugations. Attendre. The French for us is the same as the French for we, nous. And that goes before the verb in French, unlike after the verb in English. Number 5. I can't hear them anymore. I can't hear them anymore. The French would say something like, I no longer hear them. Je ne les entends plus. Je ne les entends plus. You replace pas with plus. If you said je ne peux plus les entendre, that's good too. Bravo! Merci beaucoup! À la prochaine fois!